we have to do many activities. Now, I request Reba to come up for South Central Zone presentation. Is it loaded here? Please. As short as possible. There are many activities in
colleagues, a warm welcome to you to the place of destiny, Visakhapatnam, to each one of you. All India Hindustan Petroleum SCST's Welfare Association, South Central Zone, sitting at Secunderabad, spread over 3 states, taking the wordings from Ambedkar told, educate, organize, and agitate. Taking a review of the activities since the first program conducted in 2013, March 18 and 19, we have carried different activities. These are our list of office barriers. We are having our mentor, Chief Regional Manager, Mr. Ingole sir, and our CEC member, Mr. Rumapati, and President Jayam Nayak, Vice President Tiruvaskam. Of course, 4 of these people were unable to come. On behalf of our President, I am giving the presentation, and our Secretary, Mr. Gunashekar, and members, Kumar, Lakshmibai Madam from Secunderabad, Tauraiya from Hyderabad, Rajmouli from Visakhapatnam, Pandu from Hyderabad, Raka from Kondapalli, Prem Kumar from Bangalore, and myself from Hyderabad. A brief analysis is being carried throughout the country for the officers of HPCL. This is the grade-wide slate in which we are having the total officer strength, in which our SCST officers are total 1,329, and in zone we are having 186 officers. Coming to the presentation, this year the presentation asked was a very systematic one. On what we are supposed to give the presentation was given by our English President and our Secretary sir. A very good detailed presentation in which we are going to give on each of the items as mentioned here. Regarding this self and family competencies, no doubt our zonal members are pursuing to a higher standards. Umapati Rajam is Gunashekar son has completed his MBA in finance from UK. Then our Kumar daughter is completed her company secretary and CA. Prem Kumar has completed. Prem Kumar daughter is doing 3rd year engineering, and Mahadeva, who has come from Bangalore, his daughter has completed her Master of Social Welfare in HRD, and Raju Ganesh's daughter has completed her computer science in BS Computer Science from Andhra University. Raipa daughter, 2 children, one daughter has already completed BE in END, and son is doing his engineering 3rd year. Zone is having 3 sons. One son has already completed his MBBS and MSc, and he is in China now. The second son is already done his MSc and is settled in USA. And the third son is a business entrepreneur in Hyderabad who has done his MBA. And pursuing still further, we have a good relation at Hyderabad, at Usmania University campus especially, myself, Umapati and Guna. Guna is planning to pursue his LLB. Since he is in the verge of completion his MA in mass communication, after that he will be proceeding to do his LLB. As a team members, we visit to one of the government hostels at Mahendra Hills and educate the children, showing the various paths. visiting members' families during the personal celebrations. A big celebration is being celebrated at Hyderabad every year since last 2 years. Since 2013 onwards, we have started a program celebrating Dr. Baba Saheb birthday at Tank Bund statue. The statue was being installed by V.V. Giri, then president, in 1966. It is a famous location located just in front of the secretariat. And we, with our mentor and our CEC member Umapati Rajyam and our members, we had sat one full night and we had captured a stall. It is very difficult to get a stall there in that premises. Just beside the statue we got a stall and we were successful in having a stall there. The activity goes on throughout the day. Approximately around 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs people come there, and we morning time garlanding will be there, and our mentor or CRM sir, Mr. M.B. Ingole, along with all our zonal members, with the family members, with children, families, we go and garland the statue, and after that we donate the food packets. First year 2013 we had distributed around 5,000 food packets and 10,000 buttermilk packets and 15,000 watermilk packets. The total expenditure was around some 40 to 45,000. The entire expenditure was paid by our zonal members, especially the employees situated at Hyderabad. We are having a Ghatkesa terminal, LPG bottling plant, then data center, then retail zonal office as well as LPG zonal office. The contribution is basically from these employees. And in second year, we contributed around 85,000 and we had distributed around 10,000 food packets, 15,000 buttermilk packets. And one of our member, S. Pandu from Challapalli bottling plant, he comes with an procession from his area that is situated somewhere around 6 kilometers to the statue. And these are some of the clippings. The stall was being visited by Mr. Jay Prakash Narayan, and he is the president of Lok Shakta Party, and also by Mr. Maheshwar Raj, he is All India Confederation president at Hyderabad. And coming to the various community development activities other than HPCL activities, we have done in a present number of 17. And these are only some of the points which I have brought out. There are people who are doing individually at different places. We at Hyderabad, at least we donate 2 statues of Baba Saheb to the villages, and we had conducted one AIDS awareness program at Nagaram village and a blood donation camp at Rampalli village, and then eye checkup camp and a medical checkup camps at Challapalli village. And also, it is a great thing to say, one of our member, Mr. Tauraya, at his village at Tandur, he donates money, 5,000 rupees for the funeral services who are required, because a lot of people are unable to afford for the funeral services at that time, and he has a challenge, and at the requirement of the hour, he gives immediately 5,000. That is being a systematic procedure. The money goes to the people, and also he has taking care of the intercaste marriages in the Tandur village. And our member Lakshmi Madam was kind enough to give tiffin boxes, books and clothes to the students. And the place in which our member, CEC member Mr. Umapati is residing, he took house just opposite to one government hostel in Mahindra Hills, and he take care of all the students there. Whenever the students require any power, light failure, he gives some help from his end there. Here the activity is carried by, under the leadership of this people, our zonal members, Mr. Raju Ganeshan, a very active member in Vizag. He since years he was conducting computer classes and also tailoring classes here. And one of our employee at Hubli, Mr. Kale, is a very active member, and he is doing this tailoring activities at Hubli. Recently at Kondapalli, Vijayawada, they're going to start a library. The library is going to be opened on 25th of this month under the leadership of our Raipa from Kondapalli. He is a member for our association. Kumar in Bangalore, No doubt he is doing a wonderful job there. He's coordinating with all the SC/ST employees of PSU's employees in Bangalore through All India Confederation of Employees. And Kumar has also gave a presentation on an urgent basis. Somebody has to give a member presentation at Mangalore. A one-day notice was given, and Kumar travelled from Bangalore to Mangalore, and he gave a presentation to Sri Shivaya, member SC Commission. During this flood relief time in Jammu and Kashmir, we had donated blankets from our zone. These are some of the photographs in which AIDS awareness campaign was conducted at Challapalli village. Approximately we had carried for 150 people. The photos are taken at the time of that AIDS awareness camp program. Again, coming to then community development activities, we are having Buddha Vihar at Mahindra Hills, in which our members continuously go there, and here we have a program. Last year during Baba Saheb Jayanti celebrations, we had a program at Buddha Vihar, and our Chief Regional Manager M.V. Ingole was present for the occasion. We are also having discussions with the state members, mainly Mr. Kakimala Rao, an ex-IAS officer, retired IAS officer, and is also Chief Secretary for the Government of Andhra Pradesh. We have regular meetings with him for various initiatives that can be carried out. And at the Bangalore level, All India Confederation of SC/STs organizations, under the leadership of Dr. Udit Raj, present Member of Parliament. Mr. Kumar is an active member there, as I had already told you, and he is being coordinating with all the employees for various activities in that region. And these are some of the helping activities for SC/ST OBC students we have done at Hyderabad. Around 63 scholarships were given worth 3 lakhs rupees. The scholarships were being handed over in presence of HR people by our mentor M.B. Ingole and by our president J.M. Naik. Last year, a dynamic work was being carried under the leadership of Rajamouli, our member, then at Gatkesar, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Secunderabad pipeline. We had gave around 239 scholarships worth around 11 lakhs. Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, Hari Jawaharlal IAS, is a very good man. Prior to this assignment, I was in Nalgonda. I am in charge of Nalgonda sales area. I used to meet him very regularly. He is a very dynamic man, and he was present. It was very nice on that occasion. He was present for the occasion. Madam Roslyn was there for the distribution of the scholarships at Nalgonda. At Challapalli plant this year, as a CSR initiative, we had distributed around 150 desks and 3 lab tables and 10 tables. These are the projects which have been completed over the zone, and the numbers are very few. Perhaps I might have missed some of the data. Roughly at Challapalli we had given some furniture. At Visakhapatnam, one school was adopted at Sheila village, Harjanwada, Sheila Nagar. The school was as a scheme of Swachh Bharat on October 2nd. The school was painted, some furniture was given, and also some toilets were being constructed, and all the facilities were handed over on 2nd of October. At Mysore, our Mahadepa was sharing from Mangalore plant, Ramabai Ambedkar school, some furniture was given, books and furniture was being distributed. At Nalgonda, this is a fluoride affected area, some water plants were being given by our active leader Rajamouli, under the leadership of Rajamouli. Now ongoing projects in which Madam has already visited Hyderabad. The project we are due to some delay we are unable to take it further. We had visited ATDC and we are going to select some women and give the training program, training for tailoring. It will be an 1 week to 15 days workshop. We are in proposal of construction of toilets at one of the school at Challapalli and providing a iron grill mesh for school in Challapalli and also an LPG gas connection for an Anganwadi school. And already 2,000 applications for scholarships were being in process. And we are also providing some furniture for a school at Kondapalli. The regular meetings happen in your zone with the zonal head GM GFC Prasad, and this was a meeting held on 18th of August. We can see photograph of our president presiding, GM Naik presiding over the function, and GFC Prasad sir and deputy manager in charge Mani Bhatnagar. These are some of the clippings. A very proud thing to say that for the year 2014, the government of Andhra Pradesh has awarded the Dalit Ratna award to one of our member, Mr. Tauraya, for his excellent work in the area. And coming for the excellency, again, the best PhD thesis award was awarded for my wife, Dr. Samatha, by the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Way forward, we have been doing a lot of wonderful work in our zone. What our zonal members had thought is that we shall have a systematic approach. A month-wise rate has to be done so that per month we have to do one activity. So we had jotted down our activities. So basis on which we will be doing a different activity month-wise. In the month of January, we are planning to distribute blankets due to it is a winter season. In the month of February, we are planning to distribute food at government hospitals. A lot of people will be there waiting at government hospitals for food. And during the month of March, we are planning to donate solar lights. In the month of April, we are planning two activities. One activity is already there. Baba Saheb celebration will be celebrated at Tank Bund statue. In the same way, on 11th or 12th of April, we will be conducting a seminar on Baba Saheb ideology. So that nowadays what is happening is people are going away and missing the Baba Saheb ideology. We want to conduct some seminar or lecture sort of things in the month of April. In the month of May, we want to give this water distribution at bus stops because summer people will be wanting water. So we will be putting some huts at the prominent bus stops and we will be distributing water under the name of Baba Saheb. And in the month of June, the school reopens and we will be distributing books, bags and tiffin box for the needy people. In the month of July, we will be in eye checkup camp at villages. In the month of August, we will be doing medical checkup camp. In the month of September, we will be conducting the AIDS awareness campaign. And October, we will be doing some medical checkup at the government for the government students. In the month of November, again distribution of first aid kits and sports items for the students. And on the month of December, on December 6th, we will be conducting a seminar and lecture on Dr. Baba Saheb ideology. And we are here because he was there on that day. Jai Bhim. Thank you. I request our secretary Gunashekhar to just come for 2 minutes.
जय भीम। सब लोग सो रहे हैं। जय भीम। उपस्थित आदरणीय हमारे सभा के एससी एसटी के अपने दलित के और कोई नहीं, यहाँ पर ये सब इनको देख करके हमारा दिल जो है 55 इंच का हो गया है। क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कि कई ऐसे कम वक्त होता है कि अपने लोग यहाँ पर जो मंच पे बैठे होते हैं और आज ये अपना परिवार की तरह
अपना फैमिली की तरह। यहाँ पे जो भी है अपना कमेटी मेंबर से, इनका जो मेहनत है वो, इंग्लिश साहब डीडी माने धर्मदाता, दलित के दाता, और अपने सूरज जी और सभी उपस्थित इनके सबको भी, और हमारे बहनों को, और शेरनी की तरह एक ही जो CLO हर जगह में घूमती है, चाहे रात हो दिन हो, कोई भी जगह में। आई फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई CLO रोजली मैम। अभी तक जो भी हमने बात किया है, वो जो हम जो भी कर रहे हैं, जो बाबा साहेब के बहुत उनके जो गिने चुने सिर्फ 1% भी हम कर देते तो इट इज वेरी, आई फील वेरी प्राउड। मैं आप लोग को एक बात बताना चाहता हूं कि जो भी अपने अभी हमारा प्रेसिडेंट श्री अंबेडकर रेब्बा ने जो बोला है ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ साउथ सेंट्रल जोन, it is true that we are doing the job, and I myself feel proud that I was joined in Hindustan Petroleum with only 8th class certificate, and today in Hindustan Petroleum I completed my post graduation and I am doing my law in the prominent law college of Nalsar, Hyderabad. भाइयों, on behalf of Hindustan Petroleum, हिंदुस्तान के जो वर्ल्ड फुटबॉल जो होता है अंडर 17 का, that under 17 football was inaugurated in Secunderabad for the students out of which Dalit sports personalities, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे उनके इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए अपना कंपनी को वो लोगों ने बुलाया है, और that has been inaugurated। और मैं आपको एक बात और बताना चाहता हूं कि on 3rd of January 2015, 13 member of parliament were there at Channapalli filling plant. 13 member of parliament, and they wanted to speak to the leaders, not management first. Out of which I am the one speaker who spoke to the 13 member of parliament about my company, and they have given very good remark about Hindustan Petroleum that as a ये ओरिजिनल लीडर है, आप लोगों ने कहीं और से बना करके लेके आए। सो दलित भाइयों, ये अभी तक जो आप लोगों ने बात किया है, आई फील वेरी प्राउड। थैंक यू सो मच।